We are in the 8th chapter. Samsargaja durgunaha bhavanti. Samsargajaha durgunaha bhavanti. Durgunaha means negativities are born out of samsargajaha, born out of association with the wrong people. By birth, everybody is innocent, noble, positive, or what you call, without any negative traits. But association alone makes an individual think negatively. Jealousy, anger, greed, passion, all those things are invoked because of our association with the wrong kind of people. So what we find is Kaikeyi was essentially a very good person, and she did not have any kind of such jealousy, or she didn't even say that she did say that I don't see any difference between Rama and Bharata. Rameva Bharateva aham vishesham na upalakshaye. I don't see any difference between Sri Rama and Bharata. And therefore, I do not see why you become so upset. That's what she was asking to Kubja. Naturally backpacked. She is asking, why are you so upset? So here in the last session we saw how Kubja was, or Manthara was telling her that is because you are not thinking carefully, I am thinking for you. That ultimately this king of you whom you think is doing the right thing, he is going to make Sri Rama the king, and the Pattarani will become Kausalya, and you will be the one who will be coming down to the level of a servant, carrying a bowl behind her, or taking her clothes, because sometimes it will fall on the ground. You will make sure that it doesn't fall, you will be going behind her. What a tragedy it will be if I see you like that. And not only that, your son will be under the thumb of Sri Rama. And Rama's wives, as though, will become very prosperous and happy, and your daughter-in-laws, which is Bharata's queens, will become completely inconsolably depressed, because they are after all wives of a servant. Now in this context, a scholar writes, how is that Kubja is making a statement like Ramasya paramaha striyaha hrushtaha kalu bhavishyanti? How is that she is making statement like the women of Rama? He is ekapatni vrataha. He never married anybody more than Sita. So therefore it is to be understood by us that here, by when saying Ramasya striyaha, it does not mean wives. All the attendants, all the servants, all those who are in the palace of Rama, they will be happy because they are serving the royal king, while Bharata's attendants will not be. That is how it should be understood, not as Patni, because once Sita ji was sent away, Rama did not marry again. Not only that, even for the Ashwamedha Yajna, when he was supposed to be accompanied by his wife, while she was not there, he made a pratima of her in gold and kept there as a representative of Sita. Obviously, he was so dedicated to his wife in this way, he never remarried for any purpose. So therefore, it has to be understood as Ramasya striyaha means it is not his wives, it can be, all the cousins or maybe attendants, etc. Now, but then here Kubja or the Manthara continues to pollute the mind of Kaikeyi by saying, Tam drishtva paramapritam Bruvantim Mantaram tadaha Ramasyaiva gunan devi Kaikeyi prashashamsaha Dharmajño gunavan dantaha Kritajña satyavan shuchihi Ramo rajasuto jeshto Yovarajyam matorhati Bhratrun mrityamscha dirgayuhu Pitruvat palayishyati Santapyase katam kubje Shrutva rama vishechanam Bharataschapi ramasya Dhruvam varshashatat param पितृपैतामहं राज्यम् अवाप्स्यसि नरर्षभः. So Kaikeyi, on the other hand, listening to these wicked, wild, imagined words of Kubja or Mantara, she was wondering still. See, imagine that Kaikeyi is like anybody who has great regard and love for Rama. She is not able to understand still why she is so negative. Tam Paramapritam Bruvantim Mantaram Drishtva, seeing Mantaram. Seeing Mantara, who is talking out of surely love for Kaikeyi, Paramapritam, and Bruvantim, what form? While speaking, Bruvantim, the one who is speaking. Which form is that? Shatru Pratyaya. So, Bruvan, Gachan, Shrunvan, Bruvan. Then Bruvan, Bhagavan, Bhagavataha, Bruvataha, Bhagavat, Shabda, Bhagavataha, Bhagavantam, Shruvantam. And here it is feminine, Shruvantim. So, Shruvantim, Bruvantim. So, Bruvantim Mantaram Paramapritam Drishtva, seeing her tam, Tadaha Devi Kaikeyi Ramasyeva Gunan Prashashamsaha. She, on the other hand, the Queen Kaikeyi, listening to Mantara, she was still not polluted, not becoming negative, not influenced much. She started talking about the greatness of Rama here. What you are saying is totally out of place. What you are saying does not make any sense to me. For Rama is such a great man of character. Ramasya gunan prashashamsaha. Shamsa is to praise. Shashamsa means in the past tense. She praised Prakarshena. Prashashamsaha. She praised Rama. What does he say? He is Dharmagyaha, Gunavan, Dantaha, Kritaknyaha, Satyavan, Shuchihi, Rajasutaha, Jeshtaha, Ramaha. Sri Rama is Dharmagyaha, Dharmam Janadi Dharmagyaha, Gunavan, Gunan Yasyasti Gunavan, Dantaha, Dama. Dama is to control the senses. So, damam yasyastiti dantaha, shamam yasyantiti shantaha. Sham is to quieten the mind. One who has quietened the mind is shantaha. Dam is to control the senses. One who has that is called dantaha. So here, he is a man of self-control. Kritaknyaha. Kritam janadi iti kritaknyaha. Kritam means what is done. So, we all know what we have done in our life, but Kritaknyaha means he who remembers what others have done good to him. This is called Kritaknyaha. Grateful. We remember only what others done bad to us. Kritam means whatever sukritam, sushtukritam, janati, smarati. So one who remembers what others have done, that means a person of gratefulness, gratitude. He is referred as Kritaknyaha. Kritam janadi iti Kritaknyaha. Satyavan, a man of integrity, one who lives by his truth. Shuchihi, man of purity, nobility, mental purity. Rajasutaha is none other than a prince. Ramaha Jeshtaha. He is the firstborn. Therefore, Yauvarajyam Ataha Arhati. Arhati means he deserves. He is a qualified person. For what? Yauvarajyam Arhati. So, he being qualified as a first son of Dasharatha, what is that you are worried about? And he is the right person which Dasharatha has selected also. Because he is a Dharmajnaha, Shuchihi, Satyavan, Kritaknyaha, Gunavan, and Rajasudaha. He's not a local warfarer, someone he rode roadside, he picked up and then made him as a prince. He's not like that. And he is a person, Bhratrun Bhuthyamcha Dirgayuhu Pitruvat Palayashyati. Pitruvat, like his own father, he treats Palayashyati, he protects what? Whom? Bhratrun Bhuthyamcha. His own brothers and even servants, he protects them, takes care of them like a father does. Samtapyase katham. Why is that you are so burning? Kubje, Shrutva Ramabhishechanam, after having learnt about such a great person getting coronated, why are you being burnt? What's the purpose? What is going on with you? And if at all you say, Bharata will be left behind without anything and all those things you are saying, she says, Bharataschapi Ramasya Dhruvam Varshashadat Param Pitru Paidamaham Rajyam Avapsasi. Narashabha. Narashabha. Nareshu Rishabha Narashabha. Bull among the men, Bharata, will obviously get the kingdom once Rama has completed his 100 years of tenure of ruling. Ramasya Dhruvam Varshashadat Param, after 100 years of ruling, Dhruvam for sure, Bharataschapi Rajyam Avapsyasi. Bharata Rajyam Avapsyasi. He will get the kingdom. So what is that will go wrong here? So then this Kubja looks at her. I wonder whose mind is crooked, yours or mine? You are again and again proving that you are stupid. You are not thinking straight. You are unassuming. You take everything at the face value. You do not take anything by the Facebook value. Face value. Whatever is presented, you think that is right? Now you see, Satvam Abhyudaye Prapte Dahyamaneva Mantare Bhavishyati Cha Kalyane Kimidam Paritapyase Yata Vai Bharato Manyaha Tata Bhuyopi Ragavah Kausalyato Atiriktam Cha Mama Shrushrushate Bahu Rajyam Yadi Ramasya Bharatasyapi Tattada Manyatehi Yatatmanam Tata Pratrumstu Bharagavah. Kaikeyi continues to say, Sa Tvam Abhyudaye Prapte. Thus, when this great occasion of to rejoice, Abhyudaya means of prosperity or a very, exciting situation that is coming up now, Abhyudaye Pratye, Dahyamana iva bhavishyati, Mantare cha kalyane bhavishyati. Yeah, this Kalyana, this good occasion, auspicious thing that is going to happen, at that time, Dahyamana iva Mantare kimidam paritapyase. Why is that you are burning as though you are put in some fire? Jealousy or any kind of greed is like fire only. It will burn you. Right? Any of the negativity is like a burning sensation only. Whether it is jealousy, anger, greed, passion, lust, any of them. It doesn't make you at ease, keep you at ease. It will just shake you. It will trouble you. It will make you restless. If you have seen, if there is a fire burning somewhere, if there is a plant next to it, a little near, it will start shuddering. You must have seen that. Because the heat cannot be borne by anybody. In the same way, you are burning out of what? Why is it that you are burning? Yatavai barado manyaha tata bhuyobi ragavaha. As much as Bharata is having so much of esteem, respect for me, the same way, Rama also is of great respect to me. And in fact, Rama is serving me much more than his own mother. Kausalyataha. Even than Kausalya, atiriktam more mama srushusade bahu. Srushusha means to serve. Susrushade, he is serving me more. You know that. So that is the nature of Rama. Yati hi Ramasya rajyam bharadasyapi tattada. Whatever is the case, if Rama is ruling the kingdom, as far as I am concerned, it is as good as Bharata is ruling that kingdom. Yata atmanam tata bhatrumsya ragavaha manyate. As he will treat himself, Rama will treat all his brothers also. That is his nature. He doesn't see any difference. As much as he will take care of himself, so and more he takes care about his own brothers. So therefore, why are you unnecessarily, getting agitated, disturbed, and you are disturbing me also? So Mantara being Mantara, she has to do Mantanam. Like, in the Shakuni also. Now you see. that dice game. It's all churning something, scheming something. So they show that the villains are always like that. Oh, I have to do something about it. In the olden times, the villains always have a cat next to them. They will go on between 20 baras saal ke pehle. Tera baap aisa kiya, mere baap ko. That's like that. Here, Manthara is now scheming. What can I tell now to her that will make her now, change her mind? So now he starts here. Kaikeya vachanam shrutva Mantara brushadukhita Dirgamushnam vinishvasya Kaikeyi midam abravit Anartadarshini morkhyat Natmanam avabudyase Shokavyasana vistirne Majjanti dukkha sagare Vavita ragavo raja Ragavasya chayassutah Rajavamshattu bharatah Kaikeyi parihasyate Nahi rajnyah suta sarve Rajye tishtanti bhamini Stapyamaneshu sarveshu Sahamananayo bhavet Tasmad jeshte kaikeyi Rajatantrani parthivaha Sthapayantanavadyangi Gunavatsvitareshvapi Vachanam Kaikeya of Kaikeyi Vachanam Shrutva Mantara Brushadukkita. Brusha Bahu. Adidukkita. She became very, very sad. And then she took a huge Dirga Mushnam Vinishvasya. Not only small, the heavy, what you call deep sigh or deep breath, it is perumuchu in Tamil. You know, if this thing is not going according to you, now what to do now? And that too hot air coming out of it. Vinishwasya Kaikeyi midam abravit. You know, this lady, poor thing, she does not know what is called political strategy. Politics is where a person continuously schemes. It's called politics. If I do this, it will happen. That will do this will happen. This will do this will happen. Therefore, I do this. They never do anything straight. Because see, Mahatmas are those who what they think is what they say and what they say is what they do. That is nature of Mahatmas. Manasi ekam, vachasi ekam, karmani ekam, Mahatmanaha. Whereas what we do, Manasi ekam, vachasi anekam, and karmani, that's just the opposite. So, politics is where one does not remain straight. He's always trying to get things done the way he wants through various means of manipulation. So, here she says, this lady thinks that everything is straight, and nothing is straight actually. Now, and I have to tell her what is not straight. She doesn't know. She is born in a royal clan, all right, but I don't think she is well informed here. Now you see, she says, Anartha Darshini Murkhyat. Murkhata. Foolishness. Murkhyat, due to your foolishness, na atmanam avabuddhyase. You don't understand me. That's what you tell your husband. Na atmanam avabuddhyase. What are you saying? No, I'm just saying in Sanskrit. You don't understand me. You don't understand. Morkhyat. Morkhyat, murkhata, because of your foolishness. Anartha darshini, meaning, artha darshini means seeing what is there. You are seeing what is not there. Meaning, you are seeing according to your own mental illusion. It is not really there. Anartha darshini. These are all nice words you can use for anybody. You know? Anartha darshini. So what are you saying? I am saying you are a nice person. Anartha darshini morkyat natmanavo buddhyase. And shoka vyasana vistirne majjanti dukkha sagare. While majjanti, while you are drowning, where? In what? Dukkha sagare, in this ocean of dukkha, shoka vyasana vistirne dukkha sagare. This ocean of sorrow, which is filled with shoka, despondency, vyasana, calamity, which is spread of only that, in that you are actually drowning. You don't understand this. Raghavo Raja Babita. So when Raghavas, Rama becomes a son, with the prince or king here, according to the royal order, his son only will become the next king. Where is the question of Bharata coming into the picture here? Bhavita Raghavo Raja Raghavasya cha yasudaha Rajavamshattu Bharataha Kaikeyi Parihasyate. A Kaikeyi understand that Bharata is totally thrown out of this place. Parihasa means ha is to throw or to kill. Ha jahati. Ha jahati means to let go, leave. Parihasyate is being just thrown out. And while the royal order is what? The king and his first son. That's what is happening even right now. Dasharatha is choosing whom? His son. And his son Rama will choose whom? His son. Bharata will be totally out of picture here. He will be little you know what you call, he'll fade away from here. Now, if you think that the king will have to appoint his own son one by one, you know what will happen? Huh? That's called chaos. See, nahi rajnyah sudha sarve rajye tishtanti bhamini. Not all the sons of a king will become kings. See, if in a business organization, the father will choose the first person, first boy to take care of the organization. If all the sons were to become the boss, imagine the condition. Whom will they listen? This will also say something, another fellow say something else. Then there will be total chaos. That's what he says. Nahi rajnyah sutaha sarve rajye tishtanti bhamini stapayamaneshu sarveshu. If everybody is appointed, sumahan anayo bhavet. Anaya means mismanagement. Total chaos. Sumaha, absolutely sure. Mahan anayo bhavet. So now you understand what Bharata has a chance or not? What do you think? No chance. Absolutely no chance. Tasmat jeshte kaikehi rajyatantrani parthivaha sthapayanti. Parthivaha, kings, sthapayanti, they establish or they install whom? Jeshte, only the first son. Anavadyangi, immediately he comes to Kaikeyi and says, you the one who has beautiful limbs. Because he's always scolding means she will get very upset, you know. Avadya means censurable, it is, you know, what do you call, ugly. Anavadya. Anavadya angi. Oh, one who has beautiful limbs. Understand this? Gunavatsu idareshu api, even if there are other sons who are greater, more qualified, greater character, but even then, as per the royal order, only the first son will be coronated. So your dream, Bharata will become a king one day, is totally an illusion. So first he has established that. Now you understand. This, you are a queen, all right. You were a daughter of a Kaikeyi Nagara, but you don't really have noticed these things. This is called political strategy. So Kaikeyi is jaw dropping. So Manthara said, I caught her right now. You know, those who have seen this, you've seen that cartoon Ramayana made by Japanese theaters. You've seen that? I've shown it some time back to it's there on YouTube. If you go to cartoon, Ramayana cartoon Japan, you write there. There you see the mantra. I'm going to tell you something. Do you understand? She's a black with a high black, black coat also. Eyes so big. You're not seeing that? You go and see this. It's very interesting. So here, Kaikeyi is slowly getting influenced by mantra. Now, asavatyanta nirbagnaha tava putro bhavishyati anatavat sukebhyascha rajavamshatscha vatsale saham tadarte samprapta tvam tumam navabudhyase sapatni vruddho yame tvam padeyam ichchasi dhruvam tu bharatam rama prapya rajyam akandakam Deshantaram nayayita Lokantaramatapiva Bala eva tu matulyam Bharado nayitastvaya Sannikarshacha sauhardye Sauhardam Sannikarshacha sauhardam Jayate stavareshviva Bharatanuvashat sobi Shatrughnastat samam gataha Lakshmano hi yata ramam Tatayam bharatam gataha Shruyate hidrumakkaschit Chetavyo vanajivanai Sannikarshat ishikabihi Morchita paramadbhayat Gopta hi ramam saumitrihi Lakshmanam chapi ragavaha Ashvinoriva saubhradram Tayorlokeshu visrutam Tasmanna Lakshmane Ramaha Papam kinchit karishyati Ramastu bharate papam Puryadevana samshayaha Asau, in this situation, Atyanta, intense, nirbagnaha Tava putraha bhavishyati. Your son will become totally shattered. Whatever he is, nothing will remain. Bhaj is to divide. Bhagna, divided. Nirbagnaha, completely. Nirbagnaha tava putraha bhavishyati. Anadavat. He will become orphaned. And all the comforts and all the authorities and influences your son has right now, nothing will remain. Sukebhyascha anadavat sukebhyascha radhavam shasavatsale. All the Raja, Bhogas, Rajavamsha, everything that he has been enjoying because he is the son of Dasharatha. Tomorrow when Rama comes into the picture, he is just another servant. He will not have any authority, any comfort, any kind of, influence on anybody. Who is he after all? Everybody will treat him like a servant only. Oh Vatsale, oh dear one. Sa aham tadarte samprapta tvam tu mam navabuddhyase. You are not understanding me. I came to you all only to tell you this with all my noble heart to make you understand. You are not. In fact, you gave me that ornaments, right? Ornaments and ready to give so many things. Do you understand that all that you are giving me are all nothing but going to be the prosperity of your own husband's another wife? While she is becoming prosperous, you are becoming pauper. And you are giving me Sadpatni vruddho ya me tvam pradeyam datumicchati. Pradeyam datumicchati. You are trying to donate the food, money, while your money is going to your husband's other wife. You are getting pauper. And she is becoming prosperous. See, this kingdom, which is now going to be coronated by the Brahmanas, and going to be Rama is going to be made a king right now. His only problem that he has right now is Bharata. So that is like what? Kantakam. Kantakam means a thorn in your throat. When it is there, you cannot swallow. Isn't that difficult? Nowadays it's called pain in the neck. Not inside the neck. Outside the neck. You don't say, oh my God, it's a pain in the neck. I mean, continuously. So it is Rajyam Akhandakam. Now the kingdom has become Akhandakam without anybody to compete with him. Dhruvantu Bharatam Ramaha Prapya. Rajyam Akhandakam Prapya. Bharatam Deshantaram Nayayita. What he will do as soon as he become the prince, first thing he will do is send away Bharata to his paternal grandfather's place. That's what he goes. You go there. And he says, you may either send him to another country or Lokantaram Atapiva. I don't know. He may send her to another country or he'll finish him off. Nobody will know. Like the Mahapapis nowadays, MPs nowadays do. Anything that they do, everything hush, hush, hush. Nobody knows what happens afterwards. Even the big actors also, they go and drive drunk and then try and kill anybody. Nobody questions them. Now tomorrow is the judgment. Let us see what happens. We know it. Tomorrow is the judgment day. We'll see what they do. I am sure they will hush it up. Oh, he was not aware, or his driver is doing this. Whatever they do. So this is all hushed up. Because so much money is involved. 230 crores are involved. Anyway, I'm not going into that now. So it's not a joke. So they will hush it up completely. So you will not know what they will do. Hey, Bala. Oh, my dear innocent one. I mean, your son is Bala Evatu Matulyam. See, now one mistake you have done, Kaikeyi, is you often send Bharata to your father's place. This is a major mistake you are doing here. Because when every summer he goes there, he is not closely with his father. You see that? Father doesn't have the affinity that he has for Rama. Because you constantly send him to your father's place. Balayevatu matulyam bharato nayitaha tvaya. You are constantly sending him there. Sannikarshacha sauhardram jayate stavareshu iva. Even the plants, when they are near to the other plants, they have some kind of affinity. Even plants they have. So if you have seen this plantain tree, you know how it does that. So plantain tree, one you put, next day two more will come down. Then after some time another 4 more. And they all grow together. That's what the nature is. They all help each other. So if you do not have your son available to the father consistently, he is out of place. Bharatanuvashat sopi Shatrugna samam gataha. See, what happens is Shatrugna is a very close associate of Bharata. Constantly he is there. Lakshmano hi yata ramam tata ayam bharadam gataha. So see how they are so close to each other. You see that? How they are very close to each other, Bharata and Shatrugna. And therefore similarly Lakshmana and Rama. So Lakshmana and Rama are always together. And Bharata and Shatrugna are always together. Therefore, Rama will never consider Bharata as so close to himself. And it is said it is very well known, Shruyatehi. It is heard, Drumaha, a vruksha, a tree, Kaschit Chetavyo, what is being marked as to be cut. Sometimes forest rangers or somebody will come and then mark these trees to be cut because they are, used for making wood or whatever. You know what the people do who are forest dwellers who do not want any tree to be cut? What they do is they take ishika grass, which is a very thorny one. Sannikarshat ishikabihi murchitaha paramat bhayat. What they do for these people not to touch the tree, what they do, they take the ishika grass and completely grow or fill it up with all that. Then the forest rangers cannot go anywhere near, because it's dangerous to go anywhere near that. Because they fill it with all the thorns. You might have seen in India also that the fence they put all these things. So why he is saying that in the same way, Goptahi Rama Saumitrihi Lakshmanam Chabhiragava. Lakshmana will protect Rama, Rama will protect Lakshmana forever. Like what? Ashwinoho Iva. The Ashwini Kumaras, twins, they are always together. Ashwino Rivaso Bhratram Tayor Lokeshu Vishrutam. It is in this very world known that they will not give up each other. They are always together. In the same way, Lakshmana is protected by Rama, Rama is protected by Lakshmana, and therefore, as far as Bharata is concerned, Rama will do anything. Meaning, you do not know what he will do with him. Tasmat na Lakshmano Rama papam kinchit karishyati. Rama will not do anything wrong to Lakshmana. Ramastu Bharate papam kuryade. Na samshaya. But definitely with Bharata, he will do it. Why? He doesn't want any competition. He doesn't want anybody to compete with him. He doesn't want anybody to be of this same stature. And do you think that Rama is such a noble one and all those things? He is a politician. He had made sure, according to Mantra, he had made sure that Bharata is sent away. See, he did that. Where is he now? Where is your son now? Tell me. Not there. And close ally to him is Lakshmana. And who will listen to him, whatever he says. So, all this, therefore, Tasmat Rajagrihadeva Vanam Gacchatu Ragavaha Edatti Rochate Mahyam Vrisham Chapihitam Tava Evam te Jnati Pakshasya Shreyaschaiva Bhavishyati Yati Chet Bharato Dharmat Pitryam Rajyam Avapsyati Sate Sukochito Bhalo Ramasya Sahajo Ripuhu Samruddhartasya Nashtartho Jivishyati Katam Vashe Abhidrutam Ivaranye Simhena Gajayutapam Prachadyamanam Ramena Bharatam Tratumarhasi Darpan Nirakrita Purvam Darpan Nirakrita Purvam Tvaya Saubhagyavattaya Rama Mata Sapatnite Katam Vairam Na Vyatayet Tasmat, therefore, I will tell you one thing, please listen carefully. Rajagriha Deva Vanam Gacchatu Ragavaha. From this palace, Rama must go to the forest. Vanam Gacchatu. Let him go to the forest from here to the palace. Edatti rojate mahyam. This is what I desire. Brisham chapi hitam tava. And it will be for your welfare. And evam te jnati pakshasya shreyascha eva bhavishyati. Not only it is good for you, from your clan, all your family members, in your side, everybody will be benefited out of this. Nobody will become servant of anybody. Your family, this is usually the case. One lady was asked, when your son is doing mistake, you will forgive. When your husband is making mistake, you don't. Why? He belongs to the other family. My son belongs to my family. It's always the other family. So your family will get prosperous and you make sure that is happening. Edi ched bharato dharmat priyam rajyam avapsyati. Then once the Rama goes to the forest, the next immediate eligible person is Bharata. Obviously, he will come to the throne. And then you will not become servant of anybody. You will become the Pattavashi. And then you will have all the prosperity, kingdom, everything with yourself. And your son, very innocent, unassuming son, Sate Sukochite Bala Ramasya Sahajo Ripuhu. Otherwise, you are very innocent, very unassuming son of yours who is a natural enemy for Rama. Samurdhartasya Nashtartaha, when all his comfort and influence and authority gone, Jivishyati Katham Vashe. How will he live under some control of somebody? Think about it. Socho. Abhi socho. Kya ho? Now what I say makes sense to you. You see, in the forest also, the powerful one always is having authority. Abhidrutam iva aranye. In the forest, abhidrutam, attacking, chasing, what? Simhena, by the lion, Gajayutapam. The leader of elephant is also powerful, it is all right, but the king lion is definitely powerful than the elephant. It will chase him out anywhere it wants. In the same way, Prachadyamanam Ramena Bharatam Tratumarhasi. Prachadyamanam. Chadya means to cover. Prachadya means overpower. Being overpowered, Bharata, by Rama, you need to protect him. You are the only person who can do that. Because Bharata is not here to protect himself. He is somewhere else. He cannot do anything now. You are the only person who is capable of stopping a calamity happening tomorrow morning. One more thing which you may probably not remember. When you came married to Dasharatha and came here, you came from a very royal, very prosperous kingdom, Kekeya. And you were very arrogant. Darpa means pride, arrogance. Saubhagyavattaya, because of being fortunate you were with your own wealth, Purvam Tvaya Ramamata Nirakrita. You just ignored Kausalya. You just looked down upon her. Now, because you are beautiful than her, and you are more powerful in wealth than her, and so you have just, ignored her. You became so indifferent to her. You never spoke to her properly. And she has been thinking about it. You did this to me. So, Katam Vairam Nayataye. Why she would not do it after she gets the power? Did you understand, Kaikeyi? Now Kausalya is waiting. With her hand like this. She is waiting. So the way you ignored her, do you think that she will not take revenge? She is waiting. Once she becomes the Pattamahishi, she will make sure that she will do exactly the same thing like what you did to her. Yata charama prativima vapsyate प्रभूतरत्नाकरशैलसंयुताम् तदा गमिष्यत्स्य शुभं पराभवम् सहैव दीना भरतेन भामिनी यथा हि रामपृथिवीमवाप्स्यते ध्रुवं प्रणष्टो भरतो भविष्यति अतो हि संचिन्त्य राज्यम् आत्मजे परस्य चैवास्य विवासकारणम् यदा रामः पृथिवीं प्रबूदरत्नाकरशैलसंयुतां पृथिवीम् अवाप्स्यते. When Rama gets this huge kingdom which is filled with mountains are like mountains of precious stones or mountains that have precious various stones. Prabhuda Ratnakara Shaila Samyutam, that mountains of precious stones and minerals and all those things, this kingdom when he gets, tada then Gamishyati will become Ashubham Parabhavam Sahaiva Dina Bharadena Bhamini. Along with Bharata, you also will get become totally unfortunate. Ashubham Parabhavam Dina Bharatena Bhamini Sahayeva. You will become completely unfortunate because absolutely you have lost everything from your hand. Yada hi Rama Pradivim Avapsase, when he gets this kingdom, Dhruvam Pranashto Bharato Bhavishyati. At once Bharata become completely despondent, desperate, with no any more prosperity or comfort for himself. Therefore, ataha samchintaya, think about it. Rajyam atmaje rajyam, for your own son, the kingdom, parasya vivasakaranam. The method of sending Rama to fathers. How are you going to do that? You think about it now. So Kaikeyi says, how am I going to do this now? You don't remember? I will tell you, you forgot something. What? You have 2 boons. Don't become a buffoon. 2 boons you have got. So now she will give her the methods and means to make sure that Bharata becomes the king, and more importantly, send Rama to the forest. So that we will see how she is going to do. Vivasa means vivasa. Vigatavasa, meaning it is not no more staying in the city. It's called exile. Sending him to exile. Ityarshre Srimad Ramayane Valmikiye Adikavye Ayodhya Kande Ashtamas Sargaha. Interestingly, Ayodhya Kanda is there is no Yuddha. At least in Balakanda we have Yuddha, right? With this fighting with Maricha was there, or fighting with who? The Vishwamitras, all the clans who were all, those enemies of Vishwamitra, or those people who were disturbing him, all those Yuddha was there. And here in Ayodhya Kanda, interestingly, there is no Yuddha. But there is a great calamity here. Ayodhya Kanda it is. There is no Yuddha. But major situation is happening only in, this is called Cold War. The war is not there. There is nothing called war here, but in this war there is no weapon used, but great amount of calamity that is taking place. That's why Ayodhya Kanda. Interesting contradiction. अगणित गुणगण भूषण राम आश्रित वत्सल जय जय राम अयोध्यवासी सीताराम आपद्बान्धव जय जय राम दशरथ नंदन श्रीराम दशमुखमर्दन जय जय राम कौसल्या सुखवर्धन राम कामितफलदा जय जय राम पापविमोचन श्रीराम पट्टाभिराम जय जय राम जानकी वल्लभ सीताराम जय रघुराम जय सिय राम वानर सेवित श्रीराम वारिधि वंदन जय जय राम हनुमत पूजित सीताराम श्रीराम जय जय राम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम श्रीराम जय जय राम श्रीराम जय जय राम सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संत